I know when to pull you closer, and I know when to let you loose. And I know the night is beating, and I know the time's gonna fly. And I never gonna tell you everything I gotta tell you, but I never gonna give it a try. And I know the route that reaches, and I know the ways to pay. I know all the rules, and then I know how to break, and then I always know the name of the game. But I don't know how to leave you, and I never let you go. And I don't know how you do it, making love out of nothing at all. 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 Every time I see you on the rays of the sun, I'm streaming through the wind in your hair. And every star in the sky is taking air with your eyes like a spotlight. The beating of my heart is a drum and it's loud, and I'm looking for a reason like you. You can take the darkness from the pit of the night and treat it to a bigger burning galaxy, right? I gotta follow it, 'cause everything I know, well, it's nothing till I give it to you. I can make the riders rumbles, I can make the final walk, and I can make everything go where the sun of the wind, or I can make all the stadium round. I can make tonight forever, or I can make it disappear right down. And I can make you every promise that I said I can make, and I can make all your demons be down. But I never gonna make it without you. Do you really wanna see me go? And I'm never gonna make it like you do. Maybe Lord, out of nothing at all. Out of nothing at all. Out of nothing